It has been generally felt that we have not succeeded in providing the essential items to the poor people through this system. Full stop. Middlemen hoard food grains and sell them in the black market to make profit. Full stop. It results in exploitation of the poor people. Full stop. In my district, some people have managed to get allotment of shops in fictitious names with a view to sell the food grains in the black market. Full stop. They distribute the same to the people through fair price shops. Full stop. This has caused a lot of trouble to the people, to those belonging to the weaker sections and poor farmers. Full stop. I would like the government to evolve means through which essential articles could be made available to the people at cheaper rates. Full stop. Black marketing has frustrated our entire scheme, as a result of which the benefits which the government intends to provide to the people through fair price shops do not reach them. Full stop. Fair price shop holders have not been able to get the due margin they deserve. Full stop. This is also one of the reasons for their selling food grains in the black market. Full stop. Close.